guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be going over this bad boy right here. It is the brand new Anastasia Beverly Hills and Jackie Aina palette. Look at the packaging. Oh my goodness. It is a beautiful snake skin iridescent whatever it is, and the box, let me find the box, is just the same. The box is even more iridescent, but oh, it is absolutely stunning. The shades inside look like this. I will put up some swatch pictures at the very end. So yes, let's jump into how I created this eye look right here. All right, guys, I'm not sure what kind of a look I want to do yet. This shade here is really calling my name, so today I might play with these more neutral shades. So I'm going to step right in with ginger here. I'm going to put that all in my crease and slightly above. Now I'm going to go in with edges right here, which is that orange kind of shade. And I just want to add that extra bit of color into my crease. Now with my Morphe E17, I'm going to take the shade Credit right here. It is the deeper brown shade. And I'm really just going to focus this in the inner or the outer corner and directly in that crease. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, and I'm just going to cut out my crease. All right, so this shade here called Sponsored is really catching my eye. It looks like it has like a duochrome effect to it. Yeah, it's like green into like a brown. I don't know if my camera is going to pick it up for you guys, but it is such a beautiful shade. So I'm going to use that all over my lid, and I am going to use it wet with some MAC Fix Plus. That color is really pretty. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with a little bit of Credit. I'm just going to go over where that meets the dark brown color. I'm going to take edges and I'm going to sweep that right under my lower lash line. And then I'm also going to take a little bit of Credit and just connect that outer edge. Then back in with my Tom Ford and a little bit of ginger. I'm just going to go around all of the edges. For my inner corner, I'm going to go in with Dollars here, and it's this amazing gold looking shade. And again, I'm going to use it wet. Now I'm going to go in with Soleil, or however it's pronounced here, this shimmery light one. I'm going to put just a little bit of that right beneath my brow bone. All right, I'm going to quickly finish these eyes with a little bit of mascara and liner. And eyes are on. So let's get up a little bit closer and see if you guys can't see. I do have my new lights set up, but I'm still kind of playing with them. So if the lighting seems a little off, please bear with me while I figure these bad boys out. Anyways, let's see the eye look. I think it came out beautiful. I really hope these lights are picking everything up properly because, I don't know, it's just stunning. My overall thoughts on this palette are pretty good. I did only play with these few shades over here today. I really want to try out a brighter look maybe tomorrow, but so far so good. I love all her palettes, so yes. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you want to be notified, you gotta hit the bell. Until next time, stay beautiful.